Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to add font in Canva. So you can see that I'm actually using Canva Sans, which is the default font. If you want, you can head over and click on the font right here. And if you want to upload your own font or if you want to add an own font, you can click on this upload a font right around here. Now from in there, this will open your actual File Explorer. So if you haven't had one yet, you can head over to thefont.com and then download any font that you want. For me, I'll download Complicate right here. Now let me head back and then upload a font because I've already downloaded it earlier. So let's head over and click on this Complicate and click on Open and then click on Yes, Upload Away. And then from there, this will load in order to upload the TTF that you have added right here. So from there, just wait for this to finish the loading process. And then once it's done that, you can actually use it. So let's head over and then see it. So as you can see, here's Communicate right around here. Let's head over and use this on this Princess Plate text. So it will load, and as you can see, we have now used that particular font. So that's how you add font in Canva. Hope we help.